Alright guys, so I got some stuff. I ground up some coffee grinds and some stuff from some salad stuff in there, and mix that with some feed and give it to them. Grab the eggs from the chickens. That's a woody woodpecker. I give them regular feed, but I also got this stuff in here. I give them a couple of scoops of oats. Every once in a while I'll give them a little treat. A couple of scoops of oats, a couple of scoops of corn. Right? This is oyster shells. Plus they got their regular feed in their coop. And I got sunflower seeds here. Chickens will be glad to see me in the morning. Some of this diatomaceous earth to mix all that up. A little crusty. Mix all this up. I'll give it to the chickens, and they'll be in the run waiting. Give them a little snackaroo. Alright. Give them some of that. Oh, they'll like that. I have to give them some water. They got food inside their coops. Gotta keep the chickens locked up. Somebody's coming around trying to steal my chickens. Ladies. Well, hello there, ladies. You guys need water too. I gotta get some water. Get them some water here. Look like I said, they got food in there. Every couple of days I fill up their food and water inside their coop. I gotta grab the eggs. It's been a couple of days. Yeah, about 20 chickens left. 22, something like that. I really want to just get rid of them. I don't even really eat the eggs, to be honest with you. Right now with the Corona going around, I don't want no one around. Guys are thirsty. Guys are thirsty. Told me you got the Corona there. Oh yeah, you got that Corona, I hope. Mr. Two-Pump Chump. You got the Corona, I hope. Oh, I think he might have it. Oh yeah, you might have it. I don't know. Hope not. Two-Pump Chump Jr. Alright, got some eggs here. In a couple of days. I got the lights on timers inside the coop here, so I try to give them, 14 hours of light a day, so the eggs produce the eggs. And I clean these coops, are starting to get a little gamey. They got water and food in there. They're making a mess out of the food, though, the little buggers. Somebody's breaking an egg in here, making a flippin' mess. Not good. Guys are making a mess in here. I know, I can tell you're making a mess. Oh yeah, I know you're making a mess. You're making a mess. Making a flippin' mess. Flippin' mess. Hello there, Cutie Pie. It's my Miss Molly. Hello there. Hello there, Cutie Pie. You love Daddy. Huh? You love Daddy? You want me to go get you some snacks today at the market? You love snacks. You love snacks. I know, yeah, I know you're out of snacks. What are you going to do with no snacks? You want snacks? You love snacks. Hmm? You want to play? You want to play? You want to play? No? You want to sleep? Alright, let you sleep. Let you sleep. How about some kisses? You want kisses? You love kisses. You love kisses. I know you love kisses. You love kisses. You love kisses? Alright guys, all my vitamins I take. And I do this vitamin shake too. I got this all one vitamin shake. I do that. Plus I got all my vitamins I take every day. Vitamin C, B12, vitamin D3, enzymes, probiotics. I got them in the refrigerator. CoQ10, B1, fish oil, calcium, olive leaf extract, and milk thistle. Plus I take this 1 scoop of this stuff. This is pretty good stuff, this all one. I'm going to put 1 big scoop of that in here with water. And then I take all my vitamins and plow them down once a day. Keeps me healthy.